Now let's do our next exercise to turn on the LED for a specific interval of time. Okay, so that go to your block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Alright, okay, now let me arrange this. It was my previous code. Okay, now first of all drag your Arduino initialization, okay, which will provide you the COM port by clicking right click on Visa resource and go to control COM port. Okay, now you have to define the Arduino pin. Okay, so go to low level and set digital input output pin. Okay, now suppose if I have to turn on the LED which is connected to pin number 9. Alright, so here's my pin number 9. Now my LED is an output component, so I'll declare the pin mode as an output. Okay, now you have to write the value, so go to low level and digital write. Okay, so first of all connect your Arduino resource and error out. Here you have to declare your pin, which is pin number 9. Okay, and here you have to write the value. And to turn on the LED you need to enter the on off time. Okay, on what time you want to turn on your LED and at what time you want to turn off your LED. Okay, so for that I'll use a comparison operator greater than and less than. Okay, so if my current time is greater than my enter time, here it is my enter time. Okay, which would be my on time. Okay, it would be my off time. Let me adjust it. Alright, now connect AND gate. If both conditions will be true, then it will turn on my LED. Alright, now we have to convert the values in 0 or 1 form. Okay, alright, now here you will give your value. Here you will write your value. Okay, now you also want to display the LED in virtual, so go to digital read. Okay, so first of all connect your Arduino resource and enter out pin number 9. Connect this pin to pin number 9. Okay, now you haven't dragged your LED in your front panel, so here your LED which is connected to pin number 9. Okay, so now let me increase its size to 36. Alright, okay, now here you will compare the value. If your read value equals to 1, okay, then it will turn on my LED. So I'll compare the read value with constant value 1. Okay, if this condition will be true, then it will turn on my LED. Okay, now you have to close the Arduino function. So there's your Arduino close. So connect Arduino resource and error out. So that's it in my programming. Okay, now go to your front panel. Alright, so here's my front panel. Now let me increase its size first to 36. So here's my off time. Okay, at what time I have to turn off my LED. Okay, and here's my on time. Okay, and this is my COM port. Okay, alright. Right now my time is 2:33 p.m. Okay, so I want to turn on my LED at 2:34 p.m. and I want to turn off my LED 2:34:15 p.m. Okay, let's say 10. Let's say 25. 35 is enough. Now, first of all, connect your Arduino board. Okay. Alright. Now hit run. Okay. Right now, currently your time is 2:34, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you will see your LED is turned on. Now it will get off when your second will reach at 35. Okay. Okay. Now I think 10 seconds to go. 9. So similarly, you can adjust our minutes also. Okay, instead of seconds, and you can also compare the date. Okay. Now your LED has turned off. All right. So that was the real-time clock in LabVIEW. Okay, now let's do our next exercise.